Hola y bienvenidos a todos. Hello and welcome you all to my channel, which is Spanish with Pallavi. I am Pallavi. Y buenas tardes. Good evening. Okay. So in the last video, you have learned otras partes de los saludos. Okay. Today you will learn otras partes del introducción. Introducción, the introduction. Obviously, there are some parts of the introduction you haven't learned till yet. In the first video of my concept video playlist, you have learned how to introduce your name only. Your name. There were 3 ways you can see them. You can watch them in that video, specific video. Okay, so let's say in English there are other parts. Suppose I'm introducing myself, I'll obviously say I live in Delhi, I'm this much years old, and I live with my parents, I'm working, I'm studying, I'm teaching as well. So there are other things also today you learn, and in that video you have learned how to introduce your name only. There were 3 ways: me llamo, mi nombre es Pallavi, me llamo Pallavi, y soy Pallavi. Okay, there were 3 ways. Today you learn otras partes del introducción, the other parts of the introduction. Okay, yo estudio. Let's get started. Yo estudio. What is that? Estudio, study. I study. Yo means I. This is a pronoun, like pronoun you can say in English. Yo estudio, not estudio, not something like that, because the sound of you in Spanish, it will be U, not O. Yo estudio. O will be O. Okay. Yo trabajo. This is not trabajo. You have to open your mouth whenever you are saying a. Whenever there is a, you will say a. हिंदी में आ होता है, ओके, वैसे ही साउंड होगा इसका, trabajo. Yo estudio, yo trabajo. Suppose I'm working somewhere and I'm also studying in the institute or in the university or school, let's say. Okay, so I have to introduce myself, right? मैं अपना introduction ज़रूर दूंगी और मैं ऐसे बोलूँगी that I live with my parents and I live in Delhi, I'm this much years old and I'm studying this course from that university or so on. Okay, and if I'm working, I'll say कि I have done my studies from that university. Okay, so the introduction we are talking about, we are only learning in present tense. We are only doing present tense, simple present tense here in Spanish. Okay, you learn other tenses later. Okay, right now we are learning introduction in simple present tense. If you're studying, you'll say yo estudio, I study. Yo trabajo, I work. And if you're doing both, you add this. This is and in Spanish. This is e. Yo estudio, e. हिंदी में e होता है sound e for English. Yo estudio, y yo trabajo. Okay, and next is yo tengo dash años. I'm 22 years old. I'll say yo tengo 22. 22 is a Spanish digit name. You don't know. If you don't know, अभी तक मैंने नहीं सिखाया है. So you'll be learning these digit names in Spanish later, and you can use English names right now. English names you can use right now. Let's say yo tengo 22 años. Okay, you can use English names अभी के लिए. Yo tengo 22 años. Tengo. We are using one first person singular form in every part of the introduction because we are introducing ourselves. I am introducing myself right now, so I will be using first person singular form, obviously. Okay, so yo tengo, I can't translate this line direct into the English because if I translate it, it means I have 22 years. That doesn't make any sense, right? So yo tengo 22, yo tengo 22 años. Okay, años, years. We're talking about years, plural form. वरना año होता है, el año, the year. Años, years. Yo tengo. I will be explaining the verbs also. These verbs, we are conjugating them in the first person singular form. trabajar, estudiar. Okay? And yo tengo, whenever you're talking about your age, whenever you're introducing yourself and you want to talk about your age, I'm this much years old, how old are you, or so on. So you will always use this verb, tener verb with years. Okay? Yo tengo, I'm introducing myself right now, so I am using first person singular form. मैं यहाँ पे फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर फॉर्म इसलिए यूज़ कर रही हूँ क्योंकि आई एम इंट्रोड्यूसिंग माई सेल्फ, मैं अभी यहाँ पे खुद को ही इंट्रोड्यूस कर रही हूँ. तो हम हमेशा ईयर्स के साथ तेनेर वर्ब यूज़ करेंगे एवरी टाइम. ओके, ऑलवेज. Yo tengo 22 años. I am 22 years old. Okay, it means like that. Yo vivo en donde. Donde, where? Wherever you are living, you can just write it down here. Yo vivo, yo vivo, I live. Vivir is a full verb which means to live. Vivir is a full verb which means to live. Okay. Yo vivo en. This is not in. This is not in. English वाला in नहीं है. You can't pronounce it like that. You have to pronounce it like en. En. Yo vivo en. I live in Delhi, so I'll use Delhi here. Okay. Yo vivo en Delhi. Yo vivo en Delhi. So let's. All of these conjugations of the full verbs, estudiar, trabajar, tener, vivir, you can learn the conjugations in my channel. I have the playlist also. Let's say, let me explain. That is AR ending verb. That is also AR ending verb. ER ending verb and IR ending verb. I have the playlist for specific names like AR ending verb, IR and ER. Okay, so you can watch the videos also of the conjugations and you can learn the conjugations from there. Okay, AR, IR and ER. I have the playlist, you can check it out. Okay. Yo estudio. Otras partes de la introducción. Today you are learning other parts of the introduction. Yo estudio y yo trabajo. Yo tengo 22 años. That was it for the today, and today you have learned this, and stay tuned till the next video will come, and share it and like it and subscribe my channel. And Spanish with Pallavi. I am Pallavi, and adios y hasta pronto.